tree, one tree, one tree, one tree. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, the people messing myself around rolling my thing. And Chef, I get back at it again. Much love, the people, much love again and again. Yeah, people, that's a wow, that's a wow, the machine. I'm waiting for some more people rolling. Bless up myself already. Up and going. Launching straight out of the Gaza kitchen. Checking for sound. Checking for sound. Checking for sound. Ever and ever, everlasting love. Ever and ever, everlasting. This is an ever and ever, everlasting love. Ever and ever, ever. Now we say, look at we share is everlasting. And we without will try to force his way in. People will say that I am not good for you. People will say that you are not for me. But that is their opinion. We both disagree. We not go for the tradition. No philosophy. Loving how we enter it again. We young. Under the inner leading. Wait for me. No time for no one. This is an ever and ever everlasting love. Ever and ever. Sizzling in the kitchen. You know it's done, chef. You know we do it around here. Music and food is what we keep cooking. You see me, I say, bless upon yourself, the people. One more Sunday again. Give praise to the Most High. See another Sunday. A blessed Sunday. Yeah. Up and running. Up and gunning, up and gunning. Welcome aboard, people. Welcome aboard, welcome aboard, welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Big up yourself, Beverly. Big up yourself, Ravel. One of the two first people on the thing already. Bless up on yourself, up and gunning. Now wait for some more people log on on the thing. Yeah. Then we kick off the show. Yeah, you know, don't check beat around here, don't. Music and food or we keep cooking, don't. Yeah. Yeah, music and food straight out of the Gaza kitchen. Big up the Gaza nation every time. Big up Vibez Cartel. Yes, me I say big up Bounty Killer, big up Bojo Bantan, big up Beanie Man, big up Ninja Man, big up the whole of the music fraternity, all of the young artists them and all of the veteran artists them. Yes, me I say up and gunning, big up Wales, big up England, big up Ireland, big up Scotland, big up Jamaica. Yes, me I say big up America, big up Africa, big up the whole of Europe. Yes, sizzle. Yay, GA, ever and ever, everlasting love. This is the ever and ever, everlasting love. Ever and ever, everlasting love. And ever and ever, everlasting love. This is the ever and ever, everlasting love. Notice, no that we share is everlasting. Coming without will try to force his way in. People will say that I am not good for you. People will say that you are not for me. But that is your opinion. We all disagree. We not go for the tradition. No philosophy. As well as the love we have we are that it can guide the way. And God that he had to pay for we. We not go take no time from nobody. body. This is an everlasting love. An everlasting love. This is an everlasting love. Everlasting love. Everlasting love. How to get this love that is everlasting? You got to realize, you got to compromise, you got to realize, you got to criticize, get your eyes on the prize. Just obedience is the only way. You got to communicate, elaborate, participate, and congratulate in each other. So you got to have. This is an everlasting love. Everlasting love. Everlasting love. This is what me and your girl got for sure. This is what a lot of people been searching for. Everlasting love. This is an everlasting love. Everlasting love. Know that we cheer is everlasting. Stop me when our will forces we in. People will say that I am not good for you. People will say you are not for me, but that is their opinion. Before this will I go. A philosophy, as long as the love but things are like me. And Father, He has led the way for we. We not gonna take no time from no one. This is an everlasting love. Everlasting love. Everlasting love. Everlasting love. Everlasting love. Everlasting love. Love don't give unseemly. Love believe it in everything. So love it open everything. Love scissor, rain stop chisel. I just a pot in the kitchen and simmer down to gravy. You know we eat around here, we ain't acting shady. I just music and food, we keep cooking. You see me I say, big up on the people. We just go and warm up the engine. You see me I say, yeah. Get the vice warm up and ting and get the machine warm up and ting. And go and wait for some more people rolling on the ting and ting. You see, you know we do it. It's like that. Music and food to the world, straight out of the Gaza kitchen. You see me I say, Dan Chef, yeah, multi-talented and skillful. Yeah. And we say that down. And we say music and food to the people and down. Music and food to the world. You see me I say, up and gunning. Yeah, warm up the thing. Warm up the machine. Sizzle. Let's up the seven people, yeah. Yeah, I'm just going to bounce some rhythm. In the meantime, you see me I say, and then we go to some performance. Yes, sir. Come on, Tawa, yes, up and down. I take no time, I want no other. I let the girls out one more, now, but don't do what I take time from. What you do. I'm so talented, still I do. Why you do. So talented and still I do. Why you do. So talented and still I do. Why you do. So man tawa, yes, so tawa. Not take no time, I want no other. Talented girls are a one boy, but no, you want to take time from water. So man tawa, yes, so tawa. You want to get place, you want to get better. You get the biggest first boy that don't know the water. Sizzle, rain stop chisel. All right, let me start it properly and bounce it. You see me I say, think called stubborn tower. Yeah, I have some people them stubborn like Mule, as when my grandmother used to say. Your stomach tower, maca broken on your ears, or teeth broken on your ears. Sometimes you have to take talking, you have to take telling from people. You see me and say, because sometimes some people give you good advice, while sometimes some people give you bad advice. And you must know what advice and what influence you are to follow. You see me and say, and we don't come around here to give people bad advice. You see me and say, we love to give people good advice, good influence. You see what I say? Yeah. So I want to call stubborn tower, get familiar with it. You see me and say? Get familiar with it. Sizzle, brain stop chisel. You see me and say? I go. Come on, tower, you stop at tower. Not take no talk, not hold no order. Talented youngster, I run for ya, but no do I take time from water. Come on, tower, you stop at tower. You are on the place, you are on the border. You get the biggest bus for ya, but no do I take time from prisoner. Why you don't cry? I'm so talented and still I don't cry. Why you don't cry? So talented and still I don't time. Why you don't cry? I'm so talented and still I don't cry. Why you don't cry? So talented and still I don't cry. Come on tower, you stop at tower. Not take no talk, I want no order. Talented youngster, I run for ya, but no you wanna take time from water. Come on tower, you stop at tower. You are on the place, you are on the border. You get the biggest bus for ya, but no you wanna take time from prisoner. I hear you put on the guns and the knife. I hear you don't to take on its life. I hear you refrain from violence. I hear you don't follow about influence. You are gonna bear the consequence. Not to be no rude one or a gangster. Don't break the heart of your mother. Don't let them try you out to come in, no fella. Stop and tower, you stop and tower. Not take a talk, I want no order. Talented youngster, I want for ya, but no you wanna take time from water. Stop and tower, you stop and tower. You are on the place, you are on the border. You get the biggest bus for ya, but no you wanna take time from prisoner. Sorry up. The talent came through, stick to the talent came through, come true. Hard work, dedication is part of the plan. He said that for me, take the life of a man, you put pen to paper and write a big sign. The top life you is best to leave it. PHLP, you would have end up in a hit. Hard to be arena, fast and quick, but stop at tower, you stop at tower. Not take a talk, I hold the order. Talented youngster, I work for that, but don't do what I take time from water. Stop at tower, you stop at tower. You are on the place, you are on the border. You get the biggest bus for that, but no do I take that from prisoner. Some people scissor, because some people got them talent, they not use it. Them choose the wrong thing, do the wrong thing, get a spanking, pan a gully banking, over barking, yeah, hear me king. From long time, he might get the warning, both him bad ways and him dirty living. See, they know, they never take no telling. By the streets, I know police killing. Mother Banabelli, she start the balling. Not a red cent, feed the berry in. You see me I say, the mothers, they're always in the problem when they do them crime and, you know, when them get locked up and all of them things. So youth and youth, wise up, don't break the heart of your mother. Your mother try hard with you. Yeah, sometimes daddy not dead, but mommy always there. So let your mother be proud. You see me I say, let your mother be proud. Don't follow company, especially the bad companies. Yeah, don't follow company. Sometimes it's best to don't walk in a gang. Just be yourself. Use the imagination. You see me I say, have high hopes and ambition. You see me I say, set up enough goals and future plan. You see me I say, up and gunning, dance to the world. You see me I say, big up all the boys, big up all the girls, big up all of the women, then big up all of the man, them. You see me I say, it's like that. Up and stunting, 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 my people, up and stunting. All right, run it now. Ready feet now. No, itch it too much. They don't know. They don't know. They don't know the life we live in. And they don't know our daily struggling. And they don't know what we do to survive. And they don't know they don't really care. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure that we bear. They don't know what they don't really care. None of them don't want to reach nowhere. None of them don't want to get my share. We work so hard every day and night just to take care of the kids and the wife. None of them would let me drop off a share. Cause they don't want me to bust through the gate. Then if you go forward and you will sit up back. Dropping a barrel, I saw them stop. They would like to see you come back. Them every time they give you a piece of your dirty mind. But I will be back is against the wall. I jack up the back and now I see the ball. Cause they don't know the life we live in. They don't know our daily struggling. They don't know what we do to survive. They don't know they don't really care. Living at the ghetto, me growing at the ghetto. Ghetto superstar, that is who we are. Granny did say that you never reach far. Me never broke a shop, no, me never broke a bar. Negative people, them me no part. If you're optimistic, then shine like a star. Don't judge a book by the cover. First of all, you got to read two chapter. So you know the personality and character. So don't take me far, no push over. And don't take me far, no weak face. You know what my friend them, I like the ends, they get the drift. Listen to my statement, read better you do see the evidence. Check me profile, multi-talent and skillful. They never know me, but they never have a belly full. They don't know the life we live in. They don't know our daily struggling. They don't know what we do to survive. They don't know they don't really care. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure we bear. They don't know what they don't really care. Some of them don't want me reach nowhere. Some of them don't want me get my share. We work so hard every day and night just to take care of the kids and wife. None of them would like to jump off a ship. Cause they don't want me to bust through the gate. Then we go forward, you will see about copying a parade. I saw them stop. They don't know the life we live in. And they don't know our daily struggling. And they don't know what we do to survive. And they don't know or they don't really care. Yeah, enough of them know we struggle, but they don't care about our struggle. You see me I say, they don't care about us. You see me I say, so what? We have to push through and we have to do what we have to do to survive. We have to do what we do to stay alive. You see me I say, up and stunting, dance check to the world. Big up on the same people. Much love again and appreciation for the time and the effort. If you take a look what I go on in the Gaza kitchen, you know what we eat around here. Music and food, what we keep cooking. You see me I say, that's for the same people. Much love. You see me I say, big up the Gaza nation every time. You see me I say, big up the DJ Vibez cartel. You see me I say, up and gunning, big up Sean Star. Up and stunting, big up Bounty Killer every time. You see me I say, it's like that, it's like that. Yeah, I just said the thing there, don't. Yeah, I just say it there. I just say it there, no. I just say it there. Okie doke. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Okie doke. All right. Don't make it itch too much. Yeah, upper stunting. One more tune. Let's go. Catch it. Yeah, I've got a secret for you. The Yeah, we can't keep it to myself. Ever since you've been gone, I think of no one else because I love you. Baby, me love you. Baby, me love you. Yes, me really do. Girl. There is no other like you. Be a big girl, you make my dreams come true. That's the reason why I chose you in my life. And you are the one should not be my wife. To give me the son and the daughter. Would make it the plans for the future. I love the papa and family, they still love. They still I wonder if there's a day and you see. I got a secret for you. Baby, I keep it to myself. Ever since you've been gone, I think of no one else because I love you. Baby, me love you. Baby, me love you. Yes, we really do, girl. And I said, you know what? A second chance. Baby girl, it's a sweet romance. Especially when the time get cooler. Baby girl, I just you me want to feel you ignite the fire. Deep in my soul. Girl, me I just want to foolish pride. I love like germs, I put on me body. When you find it in your heart, baby, one more try. I won't let you go for the second time. You see, I've got a secret for you. Baby, can't keep it to myself. Ever since you've been gone, I think of no one else because I love you. Baby, me love you. Baby, me love you. Yes, we really do. Girl, there is no other like you. Baby girl, you make my dreams come true. That's the reason why I want you in my life. And you are the one should not be my wife. To give me the son and the daughter. Put the leg in the plans for the future. I don't know what about me still love. Me still I wonder if it's on me and you know me sing. I got a secret for you. Baby, can't keep it to myself. Ever since you've been gone, I think of no one else because I love you. Baby, me love you. Baby, me love you. Yes, I really do. Girl, there is no other like you. Baby girl, you make my dreams come true. That's the reason why I choose you in my life. And you are the one should have been my wife. To give me the son and the daughter. We could be making big plans for the future. Oh, you talk up and down, but baby, we still love you. Sizzle. Pick up on yourself, people. Much love, much love, much love, much love, much love and appreciation for the time and the effort again and again. You don't know a damn chef straight out of the Gaza kitchen. Bless up on yourself. You see me I say, bless up on yourself, bless up on yourself. Think all secret. It ain't no secret no more. It ain't no secret no more. The secret have been revealed. So she know what I talk about. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's like that. How we say multi-talented and skillful, you know. How we say music and food. You see me I say, much love. Respect the man love up the woman then. You see me I say, up and stunting, big up on yourself, people. Up, every time. When the time is well appreciated. You see me I say, much love and, you see me say, much love and gratitude. Yeah, it's like that. It's like that. All right, keep with that. Keep with that. Keep with that. Let me go right here. Let me go right here. Sizzle. Yeah. Okay, my ladies, it's prime time, you come and make it fine. Prime time, when everyone wants to wine. Prime time, it's prime time. prime time, prime time. Off my body, touch off my body, walk the talk, shut them in a bed, and give them a quick. But when you saw, tell it everything that don't off them right. If you're this time, you look but don't touch. The way them a girl look ostentatious, the lush and so cool delicious. But they put you in a spot, the presumptuous. Every time you see them, say them get it to touch. When I stop, push forward, check and van, just take a one look and the girls in bottom. And I propose them to put rip on them on. And half of them can't pussy sound like it's prime time, prime time, prime time. It's prime time, look at my girls are looking fine. Prime time, I'm getting my parts away. Prime time, prime time, prime time. The girl that's smooth like I get chocolate. The fresh like the fruit that in my basket. The crisp like the powder in my pocket. And both big poor and the carrot. Tea and night and I lost half of it. And I wish they could receive the benefit. Would be them a girl with an exclusive. And the man want in me package me a see man. That is not my prerogative. It's prime time, prime time, it's prime time. Prime time, look at the girls are looking fine. Prime time, I have been on water wine. Prime time, prime time, prime time. Yes, my want to touch, look my want to walk, but I'm in a bed and you are big. But on your side, tell you every chick I don't off the ground. Give you the style when you look up. Be them a girl with ostentatious, the lush and so cool delicious. When they put you in a spot, they presumptuous. Well, every time you see them, and them think to touch. When I stop brush car, shot and bag, just to take out and looks, but they put them bottom. And I propose them to do bring burden. It's prime time, prime time, prime time. It's prime time, look at me girls are looking fine. Prime time, man, I didn't want to wine. Prime time, prime time, prime time. The girl that smoke like I get chocolate. The fresh like the food that in my basket. The crisp like the powder in my pocket. Yeah, and night man, I lost half of it. And I wish they could receive the benefit. They will be very good and exclusive. The man don't want in the package. Me no see man. That is not my prerogative. It's prime time, prime time, prime time. It's prime time. Look how the girls are looking fine. It's prime time. When every man want to wine, it's prime time. It's prime time. It's prime time. No man want to walk, no man want to touch, no man chat them in a bed and give them a quick. But when you're sad, tell them if you check I don't know if them I give you a styling look, but don't touch. Sizzle. You see me I say? And the girl, you see it, we love them with a passion. Yeah, and it will never go ration. So they say, love the woman them and respect the man them. You see me I say? It's like that, keep it like that. No other way. No other way. Love the woman them and respect the man them. Sizzle. Rain or drizzle. I just see pot in the kitchen and simmer down to gravy. You know it's done chef when we ain't acting shady. It's just music and food we keep cooking. You see me I say? Yeah, it's like that, it's like that. Run it again, run it again. Run it again. Run it again. Run it again. Run it up. Don't drink coffee, I drink roots my day. And I love my morning ride. You can see it, the way that I walk. I'm a Jamaican in South Bay. You can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm a Jamaican in South Bay. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm a Jamaican in South Bay. See me walking down in Bridgetown with my head turned to one side. some way. Shocking badness does not make a man. He's a rude boy of the day. It takes a man to make a stand sometime. What? Be yourself, no matter what they say. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm a Jamaican in South Way. Nicing up the party, do it for the love of it. Soon they will know that I'm the done. Because we live in active. Babylon not like we, but still we gonna party till the sun. Hey, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm a Jamaican in South Way. Confront the enemy, outsmart them if you can, but if all are stay, you better run. I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm a Jamaican in South Way. Oh, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm a Jamaican down in South Way. Sizzle, rain stop, drizzle, real alien in a strange land. You see me, I say, big up all of the foreigners. Big up all of the alien. You see me, I say, it's like that. Dance up to the world. Big up all the boys, big up all the girls, big up all of the man, then big up all of the woman, then. You see me, I say, big up all of the Gaza nation. You see me, I say, big up Vice Cartel, big up Sean Storm. You see me, I say, big up Buju Bantam, big up Bounty Killer. You see me, I say, big up Bean Man, big up Ninja Man. You see me, I say, big up all of the young artists, them, and big up all of the veteran artists, them, all of the musician. You see me, I say, from the music fraternity, you see me, I say, dance up to the world, up and stunting, thing called alien. All right, keep with that. Keep with that and go into something different. All right. Before I do so, I think I'm going to kick it again. I think I'm going to kick it again. Yeah? What you think? I want to kick it again, I want to kick it. Kick it like a ball straight in the board. Sizzle. Because I love the girls and every D-A-Y. Because then I love the girls and every D-A-Y. And close by here is I-D-E-I. Will A-B-I-D-E-I. Love the girls and every day. It goes again. I love the girls them every D-A-Y. It goes again. I love the girls them every D-A-Y. And close by, here is I-D-E-I. Will A-B-I-D-E-I. Love the girls them every day. Watch me now. You know my dog, them ugly, is it are them pretty? You know my dog, them black, or whitey, Indian cool, or Chinese, me say them love them, and that is endlessly. Me not go keep them, not put me not go keep them, me not go teach them, not hurt me, not go knock them happy, because I love the girls and D-A-Y. It goes again. I love the girls and D-A-Y. It goes again. And close by, here is I-D-E-I. Will A-B-I-D-E-I. Love the girls and every day. You know. Tell me love the girl them bad and me love the girl max. I mean some boy not a chance to shot. Them a lick on me name like a talking power. Them a call up me name but me girl crazy. No matter what a boy want chat about me, they never stop investing in the girl them property. They don't put on me on a tackle me fancy because I love the girl them every day. Why? Because again, I love the girl them every day. Why? Because again, and close by the S-I-D-E-I. Will A-B-I-D-E-I. Love the girl them every day. Scissor. Rain stop Jesus. I don't say pot in the kitchen and simmer. down to gravy. You know, we ain't acting shady. It's done, chef, straight out of the Gaza kitchen. You see me I say, music and food is what we keep cooking. It's like that. It's like that. It's like that, my people. Okay, dog. Okay, dog. All right, keep with that. Keep with that there. Let me take a sip of my orange juice there. Give me a moment in time, people. Yeah, because we love the girl them with the passion. We love the woman them. A June me born. And everybody knows a June man love woman. Though. The world know that. If the world never know, we don't know no. June man love woman. Love woman. Yeah. June man is one of the best man. Think I lie? You think I lie? You think I lie? We're reading the Irish score. Even though I'm not too follow Irish score. Yeah. Yeah, man. June man love the woman, the man will care for the woman, the man will treat the woman, them right. Hey, we don't have to fuss and fight. All right. Let me see what I want for the one. Season. Yeah. Different topic. Different topic. Don't try stop it. Different topic. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry for my God, they turn around by you. Ungrateful people, they're too wicked and evil. Sorry for my God, they turn around by you. Or them stay some man, or them stay some man, or them wicked and stay some man. They must say Android, they could be human. Me have you wonder if them are alien. Give them a hand and they want to take your food. When they feel like a slave, when they are cook. Give them your ass, but they tell the boat. Pull up on the top again. Pull up on the top. Pull up on the top. Some people, I want them to study. I'll be evil, them to study, you know. I'll be evil, some people are studying. Yeah, we ain't studying evil. We ain't studying evil. And love we say more than ever. Love. Love we say. Love. You see me I say the art of the deal. Love and lead my way. Alright. Kick it again. Civil. Ungrateful people, they're too wicked and evil. Sorry if they my God, they turn round right you. Ungrateful people, they're too wicked and evil. Sorry if they my God, they turn round right you. Or them steal some man, or them steal some man, or them wicked man, steal some man. They must say I'm trying, they could be human. Me have you wonder if them are alien. Give them a hand and they want to take your food. Receive of a saint, but they want to take out a cook. Give them your last word that tell you about your cards and a question. And what is fast? And so you know them fake, you know them not real. Listen to argument and watch them motive. Nothing you do for them is appreciated. We will not provide that is not invited. I heard good life, no, they want like it. No, they want you give them everything. Well, oh my gosh, they want you mash up like Kendall Crush. But ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry if you my God, they turn down right you. Ungrateful people, they're so wicked and evil. Sorry if you my God, they turn round by you. So people do anything to get what they want, even when the things that they don't need. To them part full of Batman, corruption and greed. They want to read the crop, but they're not plant the seed. Do you really expect things to be like that? Do you really expect things to be like that? I seem to get the greedy cat, losing board. It want everything feel good. No matter what they get, they complain made and known. You can't please people, so please yourself. Please yourself. I take you by your head. You make the treat you like the stack on a shelf. Me not take up the street and tell the room me feel safe. Come to the temple and do me not trust them. Because they want to take my own. In the crazy zone. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry for my dog, they turn around bite you. Ungrateful people, they're too wicked and evil. Sorry for my dog, they turn around bite you. Ungrateful and Batman in the same class. Some of them black eye, some of them brown eye, some of them blue eye, some of them green eye. Deep down, the one of them red eye. Yeah, ungrateful. Ungrateful people, stay away from me. Stay away. Don't want to around. You see me, I said, beware of them people, beware of them. Enough of them down on a circle. And you never know until it hits you like that. Yeah. Beware of them. Up and running. You go on the front again and again now. The people, much love. Much love. Much love for the time and effort. Let's take a look at the Gaza kitchen. You don't know dance chef do it around here, no. Music and food where we keep cooking. Remember my people, subscribe to the Dance Chef channel on the YouTube there. Dance Chef TV. Here on the YouTube. Follow me on the SoundCloud, Dance Chef Records. Follow me on the Instagram, Dance Chef Records. Yeah, I'm going to follow my next Facebook page. Yeah. It mark Dance Chef is a white cap. It mark DCR. Yeah, that's my next page. Cause I soon stop use this page. You see what I say? So I'm going to just shift over on that side. Yeah, from now on. Anyway, I'm going to send out some invitations still to invite you over that page. So bless up on yourself, people. And much love again. Much love and appreciation for the time. You see me, I say, much love. All right, that was a little ungrateful people. Them can't take them. Can't take them because you do so much for them, and them still want to kill you. You do so much for them. You give them all your last. Imagine somebody give you your last, and I'm going to tell you about your parts. Them out of order. Them really out of order because you take your last and give them. How much people are going to take them last and give to another person? Eh? How much people want to do that? And not everybody ever do that. But some people do that. They take the last and give it away. And then get blessing upon blessing. You see what I say? Well, sometimes you give away your last and some people are styling and say, oh, I want this, boss. Oh, you cannot give me this. You cannot give me that. Oh, you take man for. You take man for some eat that or some rare. No. No Sankey no sing so. No Sankey don't sing so, mate. No Sankey no sing so. When people give you things, if you appreciate it because you don't want anything to put on. Some people just give things and do things out of the love of their heart. You see what I say? So whatever, no care small, no care big, appreciate what people do for you. You see what I say? Show some gratitude, man. Show some gratitude. Don't be unscrupulous. Don't be unscrupulous. Don't be unscrupulous like some unscrupulous rat. All right. Now I'm going to preach. Yeah, I sound like me a preacher, don't. My daddy is a preacher, you know. But I could be a good preacher. I used to preach. I used to go to Sunday school, you know. I used to go to church too. Yeah. Enough of us as Jamaican, we born and grew up in a church. Grandmother carried our church and we listen to the pastor preach and we listen to the pastors. You know? So we love to edify people. We love to edify people with the word. Yeah, whether the word of God or the word of wisdom. Here we love to edify people. It's not everyone want to take what we tell them, but as long as the seed is planted, let Father God do the rest. All right. Come on, Dad. I mean, I'm not talking to girls, I must say what? I know I'm the man when I'm girl. What is saying? I know I'm the one who can't get nothing. Man with a strong power every day. I can't get security, finance, and all of these things. So you can have a say. Then I don't want to hear that man, then I don't want to work this man, I don't want to foolish man. When you get a part of the real person, I don't want to hear that man, I don't want to work this man, I don't want to foolish man. When you get a part of the real person, I don't want to hear that man, I don't want to work this man, I don't want to foolish man. When you get a part of the real person, never treat them right. Take them to places that them like. Love to treat the girl, them exercise. Show them what a real man is like. Treat the girl, them like them at the first price. That the chief in it, she get the first right. That is dead food. When we crash out the light, you want to put on the ring, that you want to get the ride. Girl, you don't want to hear that man. Girl, you don't want to work this man. Girl, you don't want to foolish man. What you gonna want to do with us, man? Girl, you don't want to hear that man. Girl, you don't want to work this man. Girl, you don't want to foolish man. What you gonna want to do with us, man? You don't want to put us and keep them down. You don't want to hunt for us and let you put it down. The girl them want stability. Yes, them want security. The girl them want loving and affection. My God, keep it's a good rock, yeah. Give that girl attention. Girl, you don't want to hear that man. Girl, you don't want to work this man. Girl, you don't want to foolish man. But you don't want to the real boss man. Girl, you don't want to hear that man. Girl, you don't want to work this man. Girl, you don't want to foolish man. But you don't want to the real boss man. It's a mention. You better take care of your girl. If not, you have to go see a girl and the next man. I brought your girl and you never spend your time with your girl and the next man. I got fun time and the next man. I got one the front line, so no get vexed. I'm resort to violence, so struggle to get my free your actions. Girl, you don't want to hear that man. Girl, you don't want to work this man. Girl, you don't want to foolish man. But you don't want to do the boss man. Girl, you don't want to hear that man. Girl, you don't want to work this man. Girl, you don't want to foolish man. But you don't want to do the boss man. You don't want to treat them right. Take them to places that they like. Love to treat the girl, them exercise. Show them what a real man is like. Treat the girl, them like they are the first prize. They keep it up, she get the first right. At the bedroom, I want to crash out the light. I want to put on the thing, I want to be right. Girl, you don't want to hear that man. Girl, you don't want to work this man. Girl, you don't want to foolish man. But you don't want to do the boss man. Girl, you don't want to hear that man. Girl, you don't want to work this man. Girl, you don't want to foolish man. But you don't want to do the boss man. You hear that man. You heard this man. You foolish man. I don't need boss man. You hear that man. Girl, you don't want to work this man. Girl, you don't want to foolish man. What the girl them want? I don't really boss man. Yeah, and I mean say so, you know. And the woman them say so. The woman them say they don't want to hear that man. So Mr. Mention you better change up your fallogram. Yeah. Sort out yourself. Yeah. Real man, the woman them say. No. I agree. Because I don't want to hear that one. You see me I say? Don't want to hear that woman around us. I'd rather be by myself more than have a hear that woman around me. I'm not saying no woman them are hear that, you know, but some do. Yeah. Likewise, some men. You see me I say, vice versa. It's like that. Anyway, get out of that. Get out of that and get into something different around here. Get into something different than chef. Get into something different. Last start to steam up. I want to go on in the kitchen. What's going on in the kitchen? I want to go on in the Gaza kitchen. Sizzling. Everything is cooking and simmering down to gravy. simmering down to gravy because we ain't acting shady yet. Yo, DJ, what man? Don't play with me, man. Don't play with me, thing, DJ. Don't play with the thing, Don't. How you deal with DJ? Don't want to come. Sure. Don't get me too cross, Don't get me cross like the killer, How you deal with? Where you deal with? Selection, man. Selection. It ain't election. I don't say election, I say selection. Yeah. Think on food, man. I know it's a damn chef. In my kitchen, you know the menu is out and the food is ready. So you got to place the bar before the food done. Simple. Food man, they have the food man. Food man, they have the food man. Food man, they have the food man. I'm got them a take set man. Food man, they have the food man. Food man, they have the food man. Food man, they got the food man. I'm got them a take set man. They don't want a electrician and they don't want a technician. They don't want a physician and they don't want a policeman. They don't want a soldier man and they don't want a policeman. They don't want a gunman, they don't want a madman. When they want to be food man. Me and the chef, do the food plan. People can run, make them strong. When they love them long. Let them know we know what want to long. Let them know what's getting long. Copy it up on a silent fashion. Let them know me and the rainbow man. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. And we can them a take safe man. This is the food and the feed them pan. Aki and salty something and jam. Liver and tallow in the morning. Beside that you try dumpling. They don't want to go in the evening. Rice and beans and roasted chicken. That a Sunday, Monday cooking. Tuesday, curry goat and plain rice. Wednesday, you know what church chicken. You know what that thing is, stick and the king. Everybody back up the second day, kitchen. Cut the chicken, the beef, and then keep waiting. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. I'm can't got them a take set man. When they taste my French fried chicken, them say KFC dumpling and the king. Them say I'm chef you want the cooking. Straight from Jamaica, straight up. And if I don't deliver, they are attacking him. Palette, Susan, then get the thinking. I'm trapped, she love me turn chicken. She love me come from early in the morning. Like how me cut up the steak in the kitchen. Sonia, and the one day in the kitchen and eat curry butter and rice. They have people on the egg about Jesus Christ. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. And we got them a head safe man. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. And we got them a head safe man. This is the food, the food pan. Aki and salty dumpling and jam. Liver and callaloo in the morning. Beside that you try dumpling. They don't want to go till the evening. Rice and peas and roasted chicken. That a Sunday, Monday cooking. Tuesday, curry goat and plain rice. Wednesday, you know what you're chicken. You know what that thing is, sweet and the king. Everybody back up the second day kitchen. The chicken, the way, and they keep waiting. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. And we got them a take safe man. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. And me, all the girls, them a take safe pan. They don't want an electrician, they don't want a physician, they don't want a politician, they don't want a gunman. Where they want the real food man. Me and the chef, me got the food plan, the feed up them girls, make them strong. Yeah. It's like that. Damn chef to the world. Big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself. Much love and appreciation for the time and the effort again and again. We take a look what going on at the Gaza kitchen. You know, Dan chef beat around here. Music and food is what we keep cooking. You see me, I say, music and food, we keep cooking. Yeah, it's like that. It's like that. It's like that. Yeah. All right. Give me some swag there. I'm swag crazy, you know. I'm swag crazy, you know. Crazy like Mersey House. Madness. Different attitude. Sizzle, come here. The time is all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's like it's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. We never have a thing, no everything change. No, we never turn up this rock up and then turn up this rock up and then turn up this rock up and then. No, the one of them want to be my friend. Every day we step out, fresh and clean. Take care of my personal hygiene. I'll be a girl happy when we touch the team. I'm living life and it's not my dream. It's it's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's like it's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It was that we used to stand up. No more can't splash me up. No money. It's not an object. Come in lifestyle change everything I possess. Everywhere me go, people are follow me. It's because of the money, not because of the food. Most of them go there like they go back to nothing but the truth. Then I know self. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's like it's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. I'm going to show you a bit of it. Let me pull up this rap, look at it, like it. Get the member where you come from. When you have to eat this a dry bread and go to bed. But we got blessed and we say you're my curse. Don't be long, I'm not the worst. Here as a second trap and they make me worse. So you hear me? It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's like it's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. Never have a thing, no everything change. No me never turn up this rock up and then turn up this rock up and then turn up this rock up and then. No you will have them want to be my friend too. Every day we step up, fresh and clean. Take care of my personal hygiene. I be a girl happy when we touch the sea. I'm living my life and it's not my dream. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's like it's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. Me never have a thing, but everything changed. No, me a go turn up this swag up and them, turn up this swag up and them. No, the whole of them want come be my friend too. Every day me step out, fresh and clean. Take care of my personal hygiene. I be a girl of me when me touch the street because me living my life and it's not no dream. Sizzle. You see me I say mad swag crazy. Mersey House in a London can't hold them swag here. You see me I say Bellevue in Jamaica can't hold them swag here. You see me I say we church in a Cardiff can't hold them swag here. Crazy insanity. Yeah, it's like that. Don't play with the chef. We say multi-talented and skillful. You see me I say we say music and food. You say put you into the mood, whatever the mood is. You see me I say it's like that. It's like that. Pick up on yourself again and again the people much love and appreciation for the time on the effort to take a look at going in the Gaza kitchen. You know, Dan Chef beat alone here each and every Sunday music. Yeah, during the week we deal with the food thing. You see me I say each and every Sunday with us kick off the music and thing. You see me I say up and stunting. Much love. Remember people like and share the thing. Yeah, subscribe to the Dan Chef TV on the YouTube thing. Yeah, follow them on Instagram, Dan Chef Records. You see me I say, follow them on SoundCloud, Dan Chef Records. It's like that. Much love and appreciation. Okay, let me kick out of that and get into this because Me time a bubble up. Me time a bubble up. Bubble up. In a script, in na giant up. Me time a bubble up. Bubble up. Soup in a pot, so it a boil up. Bubble up. Bubble up. You every time I bubble up, you know? Yeah, you don't know, say 1 hour me do each and every Sunday. 1 hour. Me not stretch the show too much, you know. One time I go over the hour, like a 20 minutes over the hour, but I don't like when it go too long, because I don't want to pearl on the thing. I don't want to drag out the thing, because you don't know. I just want to keep it 1 hour short and spicy. You see it? Yeah, short and spicy. That means when I view it back, yeah, you can just sit down and drink a glass of wine or a cup of tea, whatever you choose, or some juice, or burn a cigarette, or take 2 puffs of your high grade or whatever. You see me, I say, it's like that. Dan chef, multi-talented and skillful. And when some of them in there were ain't got a belly full, eh? Where were they when we ain't got a belly full? I don't know. I just really don't know. All right, come on for that. Come on for that. Down back in the girl and thing, because don't tell me no. Don't tell me no. Then we start to call us on television. And the chef. Girl, them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like it's a boy, I saw them a trap me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like it's the boy, I saw them a watch me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like it's a boy, I saw them a trap me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like it's the eye, I saw them a watch me. Them a watch me night and day. Them a watch what they do and listen to everything they say. Like a purse, I saw them want snatch me. Put it in a bank, I saw them want me. Like they put it in a pot, I saw them want me. Shoot it at the chef, no for them want hold me. Galema. Girl, them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like them a boy, I saw them a trap me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like them the eye, I saw them a watch me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like them a boy, I saw them a trap me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like them the eye, I saw them a watch me. Them a watch me like a paparazzi. And I said that we are still pretty. And I said me you're not feeling pretty. I thought they are cooking at the community. So tell me tell them, come watch me in the kitchen. Come watch me on the stage. Come watch me in the soda. Come watch me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like it's a ball, I saw them a trap me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like get the eye, I saw them a watch me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like it's a ball, I saw them a trap me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like get the eye, I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me, cause them not trust me. Them a say that me too girly. But every girl want a piece of the action. Me have to give them the satisfaction. But them don't have no need to trap me. Cause they don't know how me can already. Me say boy no run to hey, girl, them a trap me, girl, them a trap me. I keep a boy, I saw them a trap me. Girl, them a trap me, girl, them a trap me. I can't be high, I saw them a watch me. Girl, them a trap me, girl, them a trap me. I keep a boy, I saw them a trap me. Girl, them a trap me, girl, them a trap me. I can't be high, I saw them a watch me. Them a watch me night and day. Them a watch me do and listen to everything I say. Like a purse, I saw them want snatch me. Put it in a bank, I saw them want lock me. Like they put it in a pot, I saw them want yam me. To me, got the chef, I saw them want put me. Galema. Galema trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like it's a boy, I saw them a trap me. Galema trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like it's high, I saw them a watch me. Galema trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like it's a boy, I saw them a trap me. Galema trap me, the girl them a trap me. I saw them a watch me. Galema trap me, the girl them a trap me. Like it's a boy, I saw them a watch me. Galema trap me, the girl them a trap me. I saw them a watch me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. I keep a ball, I saw them a trap me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. I get behind, I saw them a watch me. Them a watch me. Yeah, the people, big up on yourself. Yeah. because the girl they keep on tracking us. I don't mean trapping her. I don't mean T-R-A-P. I mean T-R-A-C-K, track. The girl them are tracking me. You know, like when you track people on them phone with a GPS and all of them things. I saw the girl them I do. They are tracking me. Yeah. They attract me. I'm attracted to the girl, you know. I'm well attracted to woman. Woman me attracted to woman, and the woman them attracted to me. So them attract me like a FBI. I saw them watch me like Interpol. I saw them attract me. You know Interpol, like Royal Police. Yeah, I love the woman them. Yeah, man, I love them, I love them. You see me I say? With a passion. It will never go Russian. Can't go Russian. A woman will say, woman inspire me a lot, you know. Woman inspire me a lot. You see me I say? If you notice, most of the children are woman not talk about. Yeah, them inspire me, and them inspire me to write about them. You see me I say? We love them, we love them, love them, love them. We love them, love them. Like how Jesus loved little children. Yeah, big up on yourself, people. Much love and again for the time. You see me I say, not touch down to the gravy. The pot has simmer down, you know, it has simmer down, you know. You know, the whole heap of water. You know, it has dry down. It has simmer down, you know, to get down to the gravy. Yeah. Sizzle. Rinse that drizzle. It's just a pot in the kitchen, just a simmer. Simmer down to gravy. Simmer down. Simmer down. Come on, this glass keep on sweating up. Even though now, sweat now, bust up a sweat. Bust up a sweat. Yeah. Sizzle. Rinse that jizzle. Let me find the next rhythm there. Let me find the next tune there. But before me do so, let me take just one puff. One more puff. One more puff. Yeah. Big up yourself, Prola. Big up yourself, Prola. With a thing called puff. We da puff, dog. We da puff, dog. Yeah, man. And we don't know puff, you know, we don't puff nothing else. High grade alone can float into my brain. I don't want to crack. I don't want no cocaine. Give me the high grade, it ain't got me insane. Me spliff it big like the Birmingham train. Yeah. You know the Birmingham train? Leaving the Birmingham train, I talk about the Great Western train. That long train there. Yeah, you catch it out of Paddington. Yeah, the long train there. We go way back down from where? From the south, from London, from the south of London to the west of England. Yeah, very long, fast train. So we split them long like. Yeah. I'll kid up my people. Thank you for the time again. Yeah, thank you for the patience. You see me I say? Yes. Much appreciated. I value all your time. All of you lot on this thing. I value on the time. Yeah. I don't take on the time for granted. You see me I say? Respect on the time. Come on, man, we are leaving no DJ. Don't play around. All right, don't play around. All right, I'm cool it down a little bit. I'm walking at some. Cool it down there. Walking at some real thing. I'm not talking about the future. A scientist and a fortune teller. They must have presumed. And I make assumption. Sister, nobody knows what tomorrow brings. Yeah, give me it it again. That you know one big tune, you know. One big tune is, you know, big tune is. No one know what tomorrow bring. No one know what tomorrow hold. No scientist, no fortune teller, they don't know. They're just presuming and they're making assumption. Know what today you see me, you might not see me tomorrow right now. You see me I say, no one know the future. No one know what tomorrow bring. So guess what? You see your life, cherish it. You see your life, love it. You see your life, live it like your last day. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Not really enjoy. Full joy. Full joy your life. Yeah. Scientists, I don't know fortune teller. They must have presumed and I make assumptions. Sister! Nobody knows tomorrow bring what tomorrow bring what tomorrow oh. They know about the past, live in the present, but they don't know what tomorrow bring. What tomorrow bring. Show a little love right now, cause they don't know what tomorrow bring. What tomorrow bring. Every day we get up and pray. The top Father got to see another day and guide me a long life here. While the sun shine me, I feel it and get what is rightfully mine. Cause no one can stop the hands of time. Follow your dreams and aspiration. Do it right now, no way too long. Nobody knows tomorrow bring what tomorrow bring. What tomorrow nobody knows tomorrow bring. What tomorrow bring. What tomorrow oh. Tomorrow no promise to any man. Make use of life the best way you can. Live it the way you want to live it. Life is a journey, it's full of mystery. Today you see me, and next time you don't. Life is so precious, don't plant it about. While there is life, there will always be hope. Some people give up and say they can't hope. Nobody knows tomorrow bring what tomorrow bring. What tomorrow nobody knows tomorrow bring. What tomorrow bring. What tomorrow oh. Financially you're satisfied. That no means that you're better than a man. Remember that we all are human. So give an every and miss a while so can. No push your brother down in a no big sand. Divided we fall, united we stand. We don't know when we shall depart Islam and move on to the other one. Nobody knows tomorrow bring. What tomorrow bring. What tomorrow nobody knows tomorrow bring. Tomorrow tomorrow oh. They know about the past, we live in the present, but we don't know what tomorrow bring. What tomorrow oh. Show a little love right now, cause you don't know what tomorrow bring. What tomorrow. Yeah, no one know the future. Father God alone. You see me I say. So people, love your life and cherish your life and love other life. Don't take life because you can't be life. You see me I say. Live in love and unity. You see me I say. Don't push your brother or your sister down in a quicksand. You see me I say. When you see them step up in a life, when you see them climb up on the ladder, push them up. Give them a help up. Yeah. And when you reach up at the top, say if you can drop a next one from out of the pit. You see me I say. It's like that. Big up on yourself again and again with the people. Much love. an appreciation again for the time and the effort to take a look at what one at the Gaza kitchen. You know, dance chef beat around here, music and food is what we keep cooking. You see me I say, it's like that. Yeah, my people, my time, I run again. Yeah, I got 2 more songs. I'm gonna call it a night. You see me I say, 2 more songs and call it a night. You see me I say, up and stunting. All right. Consciousness. No, not you, mate. I just play you. Why you with DJ? Why you with selector? Selector, why you doing? Don't play with the thing. Don't play with the thing, selector. Don't play with the thing. Different something.
Too much innocent killing. Too much blood is spilling. Yeah, things.
Gentlemen, I like that one in the star.
Yeah, man.
Are you going to go on in the star? Pick up yourself, show me one this. Yeah. Pick up yourself, Danby. Pick up yourself, Preacher. Sean British. Shabba. Surgery.
Michelle. Don't be like Hollywood. If you listen to virtual reality, it's real. We have to chill it. Give me the
Sizzle.
too much in the table, too much blood is spilling. Get the roots at the victims. When there will be a change.
Take away the pride and we privilege. They call us under privilege. Why he put an entire village? When there will be a change. Everywhere we go up here, crime and violence. In the world, while the devil they say black and cheap black, vigilance and things. They're not all over the show the world for it. But the brother from a different mother would have let it take the lion of another brother. So why the brother from a different mother would have let it take the lion of another brother? You look in the same way you do.
Too much blood is spilling.
Get your fruits and the victims.
When there will be a change.
Take away the pride and the privilege.
They call us under privilege.
Why he put an entire village?
When there will be a change.
Sure. Not to be able to be sell out to the girls.
If you get to tell me separate from the
Girls. This is why you tell me set your things for you.
all Babylon do is not execute.
We to understand we have to do it now.
War and crime we know and that now.
Look at that, kissing the mothers them crying.
If you see the little you them morning.
Too much in the same way you do.
Too much blood is spilling.
I get the youths and the victims.
When there will be a change.
Take away the pride and the privilege.
They call us under privilege.
Why he put an entire village?
When there will be a change.
Take it to them to open prayer. That's why that Chinese like they play. No matter what there is in and you're dying, let's see your focus and don't go astray. Don't want to see you go down. Don't want to see you go under the ground. They don't want to see you rise. Get your youths, and you're not surprised. Too much in the same way you do.
Too much blood is spilling.
I get your roots and the victims.
When there will be a change.
Take away the pride and the privilege.
They call us under privilege.
Why he put an entire village?
When there will be a change.
Not to be able to be sell out to the girls.
If you get to tell me separate from the
Girls. This is why you tell me set your things from yours.
all Babylon do is not execute.
Unity and the body that we live now.
War and crime we know and that now.
Let's not practice it, the mothers get crying.
Bring the pussy in the morning.
Too much in the same way you do.
Too much blood is spilling.
Get your roots and the victims.
When there will be a change.
Take away the pride and the privilege.
Regardless of the privilege, and put an end to your village. When there will be a change. When there will be a change. When there will be a change. Too much innocent killing, too much black youth are kill off them one another. You see me I say, black are kill black for dollars and pence. What a thing. What a thing. Black youth, black parents, black people, wise up. Yeah. Wise up people on a whole. Stop killing from one another. Yeah. Don't take life because you can't give life. Life is precious, you know. Life is precious. It's a precious, precious gift. Yeah. And some people are waste people life. Is the man say? From the government to the youths them. They say the world gone mad. It's not the world, it's just the people. Is the man say? Yeah. Should I touch that tune? No. I didn't even touch it enough. Alright. We'll find the last tune. I'm gonna find the last tune and just kick it away, kick it away, kick it away, kick it away. You hear me, people? Bless up on yourself again. Bless up on yourself again and again. Let me touch the last tune there. Let me get into 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 the last tune there. Here. Up and stunting. Too much innocent killing. Too much blood being spilling. All right. Going back on my girl then. So now tell a man, the woman them, we love them. My girl, don't play them cheers people, you know. I'm not a play your chest. And if they do a teacher, you know what coming next. I'll vex. Carry on, girl, just say carry on. Roll your face and tell me don't go your wrong. Carry on, girl, just say carry on. Roll your face and leave it on. Carry on, girl, just say carry on. Roll your face and tell me don't go your wrong. Carry on, girl, carry on. Roll your face and leave it on. Bring up your reach up, so me and the I want a friend of me, you look say that they go. You don't give a man, I'll walk you from you. And you keep saying you get love for man. Father, I never go back for you. So the man said, whatever do, I never do. That's your contract. Loving on your heart to keep your contract. Jealous and envy, you no pray that. You're not what they got, you're so young and quiet. You be the fool, they say, oh, and they run. You're not sad girls, you say, and ethics. Over you, they not a leverage. The chance that you as a whole package. A full time, no, then get me message. You're full of wisdom, experience, knowledge. Carry on, girl, say carry on. You will look at you, say me not all you want. Carry on, girl, say carry on. You will your purpose and keep it on. Carry on, girl, say carry on. You will look at you, say me not all you want. Carry on, girl, carry on. You will your purpose and keep it on. Do your thing, girl, do your thing, and do your thing, and keep them talking. Do your thing, girl, do your thing, and not stop killing the king. You're not dead now, you're not dead now, cause you're not dead now. Hear the red friend is joy. Oh, the end, then the exile, and you don't want to stop your thing, but they don't get a kill. Father, pull up. Pull it up from the top. A big tune. Yeah. Big up yourself, DJ Grace. Big up yourself, Father Cut Sleeve. You see me I say? Yeah, it's like that. A full production. Yeah. It's soon released properly. That tune is soon released properly, you know. I was a release, you know. You know, release properly, yeah. You see me I say? It's a release properly on the Dan Chef label. Yeah. Dan Chef label. DJ Grace and Father Cut Sleeve
production. You see me I say? Yeah, big tune, big tune, big tune. Girl, do the thing. No make nobody, no make no girl and a boy stop you from doing your thing. Do your thing and keep the haters them talking. Do your thing. Yeah, carry on, my girl. Carry on, my ladies. Carry on. I love the way you flex and I love the way you go on. Yeah. Yeah. All right.
My girl, don't follow them cheerless people, you know.
Don't follow them.
Nah, don't play your chest. And if there's a need try,
They know what
they know
politics.
what's coming in.
How you flex? How you flex?
Carry on, girl, me say carry on. The way you flex me, say me love all you want. Carry on, girl, me say carry on. The way you come close and keep it calm. Carry on, girl, me say carry on. The way you flex me, say me love all you want. Carry on, girl, carry on. The way you come close and keep it calm. They know me reach up, so me not the teacher. I'm with the right and the top. You know, say that the teacher. You go give a task and a whole lot. Get your money up and a little kids, you know them love you. And Father, that they got you back for you. So them I say, do what I do, and them I do. That's your punch up. Loving on your heart and keep your punch up. Jealous and envy, you no breathe that. You not got the yard, go sit down and crack. You eat the food, it's a old and them back. You got side philosophy and ethics. Over you, they are back on leverage. The chance that you as a whole package. A full time no, then get me message. You're full of wisdom, experience, knowledge. Carry on, girl, say carry on. You want to fetch me something on your blood. Carry on, girl, say carry on. You want to compose and keep it calm. Carry on, girl, say carry on. You want to fetch me something on your blood. Carry on, girl, say carry on. You want to compose and keep it calm. Do your thing, girl, and do your thing, and do your thing, and keep them talking. Do your thing, girl, do your thing, do your thing, and don't stop being the king. No, not them now, no, not them now, no, not them now. The red friend is you, so OT, elegant, exalt you. They want to stop the thing, but they don't get a clue. Father, God will provide for you. If that is for you, who can be against you? No for them are pretend like they're with you. As your back keep done, they must stop standing you. I not know that them are the shaft for you. Reverse for them with a Jack with this angel chat over you. Them in a tough rock, no they won't go carry on, girl, say carry on. The whole of it is a bit of all you want. Carry on, girl, say carry on. The whole you compose and keep it on. Carry on, girl, say carry on. The whole of it is a bit of all you want. Carry on, girl, carry on. The whole you compose and keep it on. Carry on, girl, say carry on. What you make me the love for to walk. Carry on, girl, carry on. Love when you compose and keep it on. Carry on, girl, carry on. Love when you make me the love for to walk. Carry on, girl, carry on. Love when you compose and keep it on.
Sizzle. Rain slap drizzle. I don't say party in the kitchen a simmer down to gravy. You know we do it around here. Music and food and chef keep cooking. You see me I say, it's like that. Big up on yourself, self, my people. Much love again and appreciation for the time and the effort to take a look what going on in the Gaza kitchen. You don't know that chef, straight out of the Gaza kitchen, straight out of South Wales. You see me I say, big up the Gaza nation every time, big up Vice and every time. Big up Bujubantan, big up Ninja Man, big up Bounty Killer, big up Beanie Man. Big up all of the young artists and big up all of the veteran artists then. You see me I say big up all of the people that on the live. You see me I say big up Jamaica, big up England, big up Scotland, big up Ireland, big up Wales, big up America, big up Africa, big up Europe, big up the world, big up the world, big up the boys and big up the girls. Love up the woman them and respect the man them. You see me I say, Dan Chef, bless up on yourself people. Remember, subscribe to the Dan Chef TV on the YouTube. You see me I say, and follow me on Instagram, Dan Chef Records. Follow me on SoundCloud, Dan Chef Records. You see, bless upon yourself. Much love. Wherever I'm located at this psychological moment in time, I want to bless you a blessed Sunday. You see me I say, whether morning, afternoon, evening, or night. Right now, at night. We shall be located at night now. Yeah, at night. What time I know? What time I know? 9 o'clock in the night, 9 p.m. 9 p.m. in South Wales. Yeah, it's like that. So much love again and again, my people. Thank you for the time and the effort to take a look what going on in the Gaza kitchen. Remember, like and share up the thing. You see, let other people see what the chef have one with. Because we say multi-talented and skillful, you know. Yeah, you don't know. Me a real chef, you know, certified chef. Yeah. Yeah, me take bookings from people, you know. If you want me cook for your wedding party, whatever, you see me as a real certified chef. And, you know, artists as well. You see me as a proper artist. Yeah, it's like that. Down chef to the world. Big up on yourself, people. Much love again and again. Have a blessed Sunday. You see me as a I'm out till next week. Bless up.